Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to make a couple hamburgers in my air fryer. So I just washed my air fryer, and right now I got it on preheat to dry it because I didn't dry it. So let me check it. Nice and dry. Okay. I'm about to season up my hamburger meat. I'm using this tube meat. I've been buying this more and more lately. I used to wouldn't buy it because I like to see what I'm buying. I always smell it. It smells fresh. Let me get a plate. Okay. I forgot I was filming and I put this seasoning on. So this is everything I use. Tones, 6-pepper blend. I use black pepper. You know I love my black pepper. Use some steak seasoning and garlic powder. I'm getting ready to put on a little, what's this here sauce? And I'm going to smush this. Can y'all see? I almost dropped this. Okay. Don't want to overwork the burger. Just make it one. I don't like a real fat hamburger. I'm trying to pat it as flat as possible. Always put a hole in it so it don't puff up in the middle. Okay. Ew. This is hot. That's why I'm doing this. Whoa. Okay. That's the way it looks. Turn it off. Turn it back on. I'm going to cook it for how many minutes? Let me see about the steak setting. Okay, put it on the steak setting. It's 400 degrees for 6 minutes. I think I want to cook it for about 9 minutes. I like mine medium well done. Okay. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I know y'all gonna ask me what Walter eating. That's what he eating. Show him your dish. He got some meatloaf, he got the white beans and rice, and he just dumped a lot of stuff on it. Looked like it been dropped in the sand at the beach. Y'all be asking me, what Walter eating?
I ain't eating a hamburger and fries, whatever else I like to have.
He ain't missing no meals, believe
yes,
me.
I am.
Okay, I'm gonna put this on your stomach.
You better get it. My stomach, my stomach's little.
Let me check this burger.
Fries,
Let's see.
little bit anyway. Y'all send some food.
Okay. That looks nice and juicy. And I threw some fries in here. I'm going to put this. Put it on that. That's the first setting. What is that? Auto cook?
What's auto cook?
That's long enough.
I don't even know what auto cook is.
You see that written on there?
It might be too high. I don't.
Okay.
Auto clock.
Cook. It say cook, don't it?
No, say auto clock. Oh,
Right
auto
here.
cook.
Right here.
What is that? It already cooked. It just need to warm up.
Man, don't talk to me, please.
Auto cook.
You ain't never used that?
AC one, no.
Okay, just press what you usually press. So it'll go for 2 minutes.
I don't need to go for even 2 minutes, I don't think. I don't know.
Well, just put it on there and just watch it. You about to get on my nerves.
Shit.
My last nerve.
Give me a few fries later. Only one takes
That's
a
too
long
much
time.
starch.
It's potatoes.
There's potatoes in the beans, so you don't need no more.
You tell me what I need. I need a lot of things.
You don't need nothing. I'm gonna watch this later. You don't need nothing.
Give me some. Get some. If I. Oh, don't tell me what I want.
Oh, y'all, this is sitting on a rolling countertop tray. It's the Nifty brand, and it's the one that's wide enough for the Cicero air fryer. Stop slinging your hands. I don't want that stuff on my food. This man about to get beat up in here.
Yeah.
For real, for real. Oh, I didn't mean to throw that in there.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. Because I'm going to cut my burger.
No, this ain't ready.
No, it ain't ready that quick.
I didn't want the meatloaf to get too. I know the potatoes will look a while to cook. I mean to warm up. The meatloaf is already dried out.
Well, you shouldn't have made it dry. Okay, I'm about to put some of these red onion slivers on my burger. I like red onion. I'm using bread instead of a bun. I'm going to cut it so y'all can see that the burger is done.
Need a bun.
I don't need no buns, baby. I like bread. That's what I grew up eating. And don't be saying that we was poor. I wish you would. Okay, y'all. This is how the burger looks. It's nice and done. What I cook it for? 8 minutes? 9 minutes? I think I stopped it before it was done. I think I cooked it for 8 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and that's the thickness of this burger. So it's medium well. And I threw these potato wedges in there. So put some ketchup. Okay, you been eating up my ketchup.
I ain't been eating up nothing.
Why you eat up everything?
I need some ketchup. Oh, boy.
Okay, that's good.
Nothing in here. Ain't nothing in here. Give me some ketchup.
Hot sauce.
Nothing in here.
Okay, y'all, I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. This is my dinner. You keep getting in my way.
It'd be nice to watch.
Dude, I'm always nice to you.
Yeah.
You're so blessed, you don't know what to do with yourself.
Yeah, right.
Oh, you want to get in the camera? Is that what you're doing?
No, I'm not getting in the camera.
I'm trying to finish my video out. Forget what I was doing, but this is my plate. Let me get a thumbnail of my burger. And I'll put hot sauce on the fries too. Ketchup and hot sauce. So, thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed day. Okay, bye. You want the camera on you? He making fun of me again, y'all. There you go, getting in my way. Move. Bye for real.
Side effects.
There's my burger and fries.
Back hurt.
So I have Miracle Whip and red onion and cheese on my burger with regular white bread. And these are the potato wedges from Walmart. Okay, bye.